Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Seva Prabowo from Management 23D and my NPM is 2341180. Alright, right now I'm here on a presentation about material and the material is about leadership behavior. Maybe without further ado, let's begin to the material. Leadership behavior is the science and the practice of effective influence. Leadership is not about job titles or authority. It's about observable behavior that inspire action. Research from Harvard Business School reveals that up to 70% of team engagement is determined by just five specific leadership behavior. So today, we'll explore what these behaviors are, why they matter more than innate traits, and how you can develop them to transfer your leadership impact. The behavior approved to leadership emerged from groundbreaking studies in the 1930s when psychologist Kurt Lewin identified three core leadership styles. First is authoritative, second is democratic, and third is laissez-faire. His work provides that leadership effectiveness defined not on personality but on measurable action that can be learned and adapted. Leadership behavior. We have a full leadership behavior. Uh, First, like task oriented behavior. This is goal setting and clarification, performance monitoring, problem solving, orientation explain, like Amazon practice of writing 6-page memos for clear thinking and remove PowerPoint trick. Snack is people oriented behavior. Active listening. Google found this account for 35% of managerial effectiveness. Empathic communication. Regular recognition and appreciation. Example like Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella transformed company culture by modeling learn it all instead of know it all behavior. Next is change oriented behavior. Vision communication, risk taking, encouragement, innovation support, and the example is like Apple Steve Jobs famously combined of visionary storytelling with existing standard. And the last is ethical modeling behavior. Transparency in decision making, accountability demonstration, values aligned action. The example, like Patagonians, Yifun, Kony this environmental ethic to every business decision. The next is a behavior adaptation. The behavior adaptation, and we have a full tool. Alright, we start from directing. For new or unskilled teams, this is high touch focus, low relationship focus, clear instruction and close supervision. The example like Elon Musk detailed technical guidance at SpaceX during critical mission. Next is coaching. For developing teams, high task and relationship focus, two-way communication with support. The example like a PepsiCo's Indra Nooyi personally mentored high potential employees. Snack is behavior adaptation, supporting for experienced team. Low task focus, high relationship focus. Shared decision making. The example like a Google policy allowing engineer to handle I'm sorry about that. 20% time for patient project. And the last is delegating. This is for expert teams. Low task and relationship focus. Full autonomy with accountability. The example like a Netflix culture of a freedom with responsibility. Toxic behavior to avoid. Research identify several destructive leadership behavior. Micromanagement, inconsistent communication, emotional volatility. And the conclusion is leadership behavior. Repression both a science and a art. The science lies in the measurable research black practices that drive team performance. The art comes in adapting this behavior to your unique context and personality. As we've seen, leadership is not about being perfect, it's about being conscious. Every interaction in our community to practice effective leadership behavior. Whether you're giving feedback, making tough decisions, or inspire your team, remember that your behavior creates ripples throughout your organization. Final challenge is for the next week. Choose one leadership behavior to focus in. It could be giving more recognition, listening more attentively, or communicating vision more clearly. Track your progress and observe the impact on your team. As leadership expert Warren Bennis said, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality through consistent behavior. Your leadership journey starts not with a promotion, but with your next action. Or maybe just only that what I can explain in this material and in this presentation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next presentation.